Good morning. I'm getting better and better and better. Okay, si Maritel, a friend of mine, she came from Pangasinan back home, and we live in the same town in the municipality of Umingan. Okay, Maritel, si Sitel, mayroon siyang sciatica. She touched base with me. Tapos sabi ko ba, yun yung dati kong nararamdaman. Pero I insist na pumunta siya. I will let her to share kung ano yung testimony niya about the Therapy 90. Okay, Maritel, what happened?
Okay, may sciatica ako sa right side. And pumunta ako ng physiotherapy ko. And then, sabi ni Kuya, pumunta daw ako sa opisina para i-try ko yung Therapy 90. Sabi ko naman, kasi gabi na nga, sabi ko bukas na lang Kuya, pero in-insist niya,
Makulit?
pinush niya talaga ako, sabi niya pumunta ka dito para gumaling ka. So, pumunta nga talaga ako around 8:30 ng gabi at tinry ko tong machine na ito.
And then ano yung naramdaman mo? Yung first time mo
na naramdaman ko, nakatulog ako ng mahimbing. Then,
I invited you to come back in the following day.
the following day,
And then, okay.
nag-try ulit ako.
No, hindi ka nag-take ng
Hindi na ako
medicine.
nag-take ng medicine.
Yung
Nakaupo
reliever mo.
pa ako ng maayos sa chair. Kasi
And then
most
yung
of the
pag-akyat
time,
mo pati yung sa bed
sa,
ka mo.
sa bed, yung pag-akyat ko ng bed, hirap na hirap ako. And then, pag upo ko sa chair, hirap na hirap din ako. I couldn't even drive the car also. So, the second day, dinala ulit ako. And tinry ko ulit yung P90 machine, which of that machine over
Yeah, that
there.
machine over there, yeah.
And then, I can't really believe it. Bumalik ako ng gabi. And then, nakatulog ulit ako ng mahimbing. Pagising ko ng umaga, I don't even take medicine. I did this almost 4 times, twice a day.
Yung second day, kasi
Second day.
sa second day mo kasi ay when you left, di ba?
Yeah.
When you are in the
Oh,
hallway,
yeah.
I asked you to
You
lift. Taas mo yung
Kuya
paa.
Marlo,
Yung right.
asked me na i-lift ko yung right side ko. And I was like, amazing.
So, ginanyan mo pa
Oo,
both sides, side to
both
side.
side.
Na dati hindi mo.
Hindi ko nagagalaw dahil nga masakit
Look at
siya.
that. Oh my
So,
God.
napakagaling ng product na ito.
So do you recommend the Therapy 90 to your family and friends?
Of course.
Martel? Yeah.
Na-try na rin ng mama ko. Na-try na rin ng
She's-
some of my friends.
And they're all
And they're also amazed.
yeah.
So, if I would you guys, try this product. All in life.
Amazing. That's my dear Maritel. Thank you.
Bye!
Bye.